Hi, welcome to another Kipware video. In this short video, we will be illustrating the creation of a machining cycle time estimate for the part on the screen, using Kentek's KipwareCYC software. For brevity, we will stick to the top surface. The machining ops we will concentrate on is spot drilling 7 holes, drilling and reaming the 6 holes, drill the big hole with a 1/2-inch drill, then circle milling that hole to 0.734 before boring it to the 750 final diameter. The material is 450 steel, and we'll be using a Haas VF1 VMC. Okay, let's dive in. For the first operation, we will select the Haas VF1. Select 4150 steel as our material. Select our main operation as drilling. Select the tool and cutting parameters as high-speed steel. Enter an operation description. And input some manual entries. We grab some handling time from our predefined database to represent the loading of the part into the vise. We'll input the length of cut, representing the distance the tool will be cutting. In this case, 250 times 7 holes or 1.75 inches. We'll enter a tool diameter and we are set. Pressing the calculate button will cause KipwareCYC to do its magic. It will grab cutting parameters from our material database and calculate speeds and feeds for machining. It will grab machine specs from our machine database and calculate tool change time and rapid time. Use the handling time we input and give us a machining time for this operation. Now it's just a case of stepping through the machining operations one at a time. Next, we'll set up the 1564 drilling of the 6 holes. No handling time because the part is already loaded, and we'll drill each hole 1 inch deep for a total length of cut of 6 inches. Next operation is to ream the 6 holes to 250 diameter. Next, we'll drill the big hole with a 1/2-inch drill to start to open it up a bit. Next, we'll use an end mill to circle pocket the hole to 1/64, smaller than the final 750 diameter. This length of cut is a little more complicated, so we'll use the included cut length calculator. With CLC, we can use a fill-in-the-blank form to describe the operations, and it will automatically calculate the length of cut for us. Last operation is to bore the hole to 750 diameter. At any time, we can take a look at the progress of the estimate. See all operations, times, and specs for each. This is a really useful tool for performing what-if scenarios. If we see an operation that is a little long, we can play with tools and therefore speeds and feeds to get a time in which we feel more confident. It's the beauty of doing this using the power of the PC. If you walk around your shop and see pallets of raw material or prepped material waiting to be machined, these are signs of overestimating or underestimating machining time. Machining is running longer than estimated, and jobs are stacking up, or you're seeing delays in delivery. Again, because jobs are running longer than estimated. If you've tried the new fad AI or feature recognition, you know that it only helps you create faster, more inaccurate estimates. Sure, load a model and get a time, and spend hours tweaking those estimates to match your shop. KipwareCYC was designed through a collaboration of engineers and machinists. It's designed to provide the main key to accurate estimating, that everything in the estimate fits and matches your unique and individual shop. You can explore more about KipwareCYC and all our CNC and machine shop software at www.kipware.com. And we are always adding to our video library on YouTube. Our channel is KT Software. Thanks for investing your time and exploring this video.